Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Nationalist Congress Party ka Sdang bante ya ka Ophis jongka kabadan ha Syndah bat ka Ophis jongka BJP habi varut. U President ka NCP u badairu MLA ka Gambe Grey constituency u Saleng Sangma. Ulay thu baka jingti ya kanong rimying kalayan na kabanta bante ya ka Ophis ha kabalakmi lenti ban pendepte hapdeng arne laibanai. Labu yo mau nong rem banchna ya ko Ophis ka NCP documentary barem ka sarkar preng u Praful Patel hau kalalingkot jongsne maharajar khat phra ka jinghe ka jaka ka longkumbalai 1000 square feet haba kali shaphang ka jing Pynkhreh ka NCP ya ke Ilekshon MLA hausne maharajar arpholai bat ki mat ke ba khmat ba ka sengkanra u Saleng ulaong ba ke NCP ka bu hakmat ya ka puli puthi ka kam yale kai ka koi ka khia bat ka ket ka ba ulaong ba wat lada don bun ki college bat ki school ki ba ai jing hikai Henry Kim Pat Biang namar om jungyam ban penrung yiki samla puli ka jella halor ka jing wa nia ka TMC ya ka sarkar MDA u Saleng ulaong ba ka de ka kamram jong kalyang persha bat ka shong ha upat ba kumno bat ya kanu ka seng u khamno ban ai jingershan.
It's a nature of any oppositions to be aggressive, and then moreover, right now TMC they're aggressively campaigning all over the Meghalaya, not only in Garo Hills, even in some part of the Khasils. They started yesterday itself. I've seen that they're campaigning in Sela Bolaganj and then some part in the West Khasils also. So that way they are trying to create the platform for anybody who will be standing from their party. I think so. Maybe it's it's a nature of any opposition party to criticize the government in occasions or in any meeting or any party.
So, do you think those this aggressive campaigning will lead to the party winning seats?
No, you cannot say every opposition ruling, they used to have this kind of aggressive movement every now and then, but some of them they come up with a nice result, some of them they don't. So you just cannot predict, especially it depends on how and what people will choose, because everything depends on people only.
What about on the issue of corruption there, TMC? So
so it's a toxic culture, you see. Corruption is everywhere. Now we have to look at which are the area where the corruption is more. Maybe we cannot fully control the corruption, but at least we can reduce the corruption by attending to those areas where the corruption is more rampant, you can say. Everywhere the corruption is everywhere. So that way I think we have to check so we can balance the corruption also. I think reduce the corruption. We cannot finish the corruption, I think so. So they just cannot say that, they just cannot pinpoint that MD government is the only one who is corrupted. They have to look back what they have done before also. So that way I think you just cannot pinpoint at everybody or only with the MD government. Preparation. Right now, party has sanctioned a few amounts to start up with the office building, which we have already started constructing also here near the BJP office itself. They have sanctioned some amounts with the ground floor and the G+2. We will be doing that one, but right now we have started with the art cutting and then some structure here and there. Maybe we are going to finish it within 2-3 months, I think so. And then once we finish, I think the organization will start, because right now I don't want to speak too much on behalf of the NCP, because our touch with the Delhi is little less, to be frank enough, because right now I just don't want to go aggressively. Whatever comes, we will see.
So in the upcoming elections, what are the agendas you would like to take up?
No, we have our local agendas: education, sports, health, transport and communications. Lots of are there actually, which we have already made it clearly, even last time also, we will follow the same this year also.
Okay. During our informal conversation, you had told us that
Yeah. Now, you see, we have already opened up 2, 3. For example, new colleges are coming up, but yet these colleges are not enough to, fill up our students who are passing out every year, thousands of students, passing out matriculations, passing out their class 12s, and then they don't have no way to go here, but they have to, prefer to go outside the state, just for the further study. So that way it hampers the people from the poorer background, so sections of those areas. So I think we have to touch those very sincerely, and then diligent. Sincerity should be there in the approach actually in opening up all those things, especially in education system. Once the education system is not there, I think everything is going to collapse. That's for sure. Once the education comes up, then automatically people will know how to do, what to do, what not to do. All those things will definitely, they will have the idea of concern actually on their own. And moreover, if they are passionate about anything, they can choose their own. Because right now, we are not having the, enough educations to fill them with the ideas. The scope we cannot give. Now, we are talking about employment, not only in the government sector. There are lots of private sector which they themselves could have created, like entrepreneurship. Now, when you look at the area where the all those trades and everything is going on, our youths are not engaged in those things. So once they are well equipped with the knowledge about those areas, I think they will also get engaged themselves. Now I have seen 1 or 2 local boys doing a saloon out here. Okay, our boys started having the packaging, marketing out here. So likewise, other areas also there where they can catch up and then get themselves employed. They can be the employer also that way. So education is must.